we just showing the joint the calculate. We now use the x use the word this xyz moving the robot. We now use the x. Get this here, see? You can see. Then y and the z and the z and then you can see the here. You can see the here. The location the TCP is not here is center, right? Here is not center. It's not center. We now choose this button and then use the moving C. You can see it. You can see the X, Y, Z and the C moving together, right? You see that? Yeah, it's moving together. Here is changes continue or step by step. This one here is changes the button. Here is changes the speed, F speed. Here is play, pass and stop. Okay. Here is parameters model. Here is auto model. Here is teach model. Here is if then we choose stop. They have element along, right? Then we only press this button. Along we are clear. Okay. Here is clear the alarm. Okay. You know this button, learn this button, and then learn how to move the robot by join the model and the word XYZ model. Joint model is joint the model moving by X size, Z size, each side. Okay, we know. Then next.